What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. Well, there's a new article that just came out calling this a scam for passengers to look out for from drivers. Well, I want to pose you the question, is this a scam or is this an earnings opportunity for drivers? Please thumbs up the video. I've actually done this, so sorry, cat's out of the bag. I guess I scammed a passenger in the past. We'll get into the details. Before I do, I wanted to thank our sponsor, Current. Current is a mobile banking app that helps Uber and Lyft drivers get paid 2 days faster. No fees on overdraft if you ever go negative 200 bucks. They pay you every time you fill up gas. And they pay you 4% APY, 4% interest, and it's all completely free. There's no credit checks, no account minimums. Sign up for Current using my link below. I even signed up right here, made a deposit. So sign up, make a little deposit, do a couple rides, throw in 5-10 bucks, watch your savings grow. They're paying you to have money in here. 4% interest is the highest I've seen right now anywhere, guaranteed. So, especially with inflation. So sign up for Current down below and let's get started. So, this article, basically it's about driver cancellations, passenger cancellations. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I was like driving for Lyft a lot of you guys know right now my car's really dented and I can't get approved. I'm trying to get it fixed first and I'm gonna start driving. Sorry. But when I was driving a lot, what I would do is I would pull up to the place and you know you gotta wait 5 minutes, call them, and if they ain't there, I'm canceling that mother effing ride to get that 5 bucks. And I'm not gonna lie, a lot of times I pull up and I'm like, you know, I click arrive right when I get there and I call them, I'm like, hey, I'm here. And if they are literally like not opening my door within 5 minutes, I'm leaving, bro. And one time I remember it hit the 5 minute time and I canceled. I mean, I looked over and they were walking out the door and I said, sorry, bro, you weren't here. You know, you're not in my car in 5 minutes, I'm gone. So basically what this scam is, they're saying, if you need to get around quickly, whether your vehicle is in the shop or on vacation, the easiest way. I hate how these articles have stupid intros. Basically, they're saying Uber drivers don't know the destination of a requested ride until they cancel a trip. Yeah, so basically what happens is drivers are now messaging. I mean, I've never gone this far. Actually, you know what? I used to call my passengers and ask them how far or where their destination was, because I had a job that started at 12 p.m. noon. And if I was taking a ride at 11, like I literally, you know, I couldn't have a ride that was, you know, more than 30 minutes out of the way, or else I would be late. So a lot of times if it's 11, you know, I want to make more money, I'd be like, hey, where's your destination? I just want to make sure, you know, I have time to take you because I have another job. And a lot of times they'd tell me, but some drivers are doing that. And if it's in an area they don't want to go, they tell the passenger to cancel because the driver doesn't want to, you know, affect their rating. And what happens is when the passenger cancels, guys, they get charged money. They get charged 10 bucks a lot of times. So this scam that this company is saying is that it says this company is saying don't cancel your ride if an Uber driver asks you to. It is unclear what the driver's motivation would be, as an Uber spokesperson said drivers aren't compensated for cancellations. This Uber spokesperson is dumb because drivers need to keep their cancellation high or else they get freaking deactivated, bro. That's literally the whole reason. But depending on the type of ride requested, they'll get. So anyways, I just wanted to talk about cancellations. That's the new scam. So like, this is kind of going viral right now that passengers are, you know, basically, I mean, they're not going to cancel the rides because this is going viral on TikTok. And it's saying like, if you know, if a driver asks you to cancel the ride, don't cancel it. So I guess it's a little different than the 5 minute pickup thing. But yeah, there was a while where I was getting a lot of those because I would pull up pretty fast, and if they weren't there, and a lot of times, especially like at bars and stuff, I was like, I'm not waiting, bro. I'm sorry, but I'm not waiting. Anyways, let me know your thoughts on this whole thing, your cancellations or pickup fees. because those $5 rides could add up. Oh, and a lot of times, guys, I remember getting to the pickup location, and a lot of times, you guys know, like, rides sometimes don't even pay $5. So it's literally in our motivation to get the pickup fee, because at that point, you know, you just go to your next ride, so you're not wasting gas actually doing the ride, and you're making more money than the ride. And I'm not saying, like, you know, scam or beat the system, but like, I don't know. Anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts on all this madness, and check out the link below for Current, where you can get paid up to 2 days faster. They help out gig workers a ton. No fees on overdraft if you ever go negative, 200 bucks. I know, you know, sometimes life happens. You get paid every time you fill up gas, and they pay you money on your savings. So I have Current on my phone here. I can just show you really quick. I love Current. I have $100 in my account. I'm growing interest every single day. It's pretty fun. Check it out, link below. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.